MSTR stock analysis and MSTR stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this short and brief 1-minute video is showing my exact play. 400 bucks is where we're sitting at with a 4% increase in price. I have like 53 results in queue. We trade alert section and all that good jazz. I'm most proud of the most recent one, you know, because this just delivered very nicely, very neatly. I mean, here it is. This was made like 20 hours ago. And then we did our thing. And honestly speaking, I'm looking to just double down more if I can, at least to 430. But other than that, like me randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So I just need to see more candles or some sort of, you know, confirmation. So I'll keep you updated. And there's a lot of receipts with MSTR. If you want to have leverage and want to learn the things that take me 3 years to learn, you take 1 to 2 hours. Click the first link in the description. It's risk-free. All people, like 1,200 people have tried it.